Very well, let's take a closer look at this. As you can see here, everything you need is already provided inside, and the only thing you have to do is assemble it. I can already tell that the material used here is steel, and overall, for a price of 20 euros, the quality is really excellent. To assemble it, it takes about 1 to 2 hours, and it folds simply by pulling on the legs, which also gives you a flat piece that can be easily stored and placed, while also serving as furniture. Now let's look at the most interesting part, namely the foldable side. Its functionality is new to the market and was introduced a few months ago, which is a very good reason to buy it. Let's take a closer look. After various tests, I have to say that I am very satisfied with this new tool, which will help me carry out some great projects.